Are you diving into Linux system administration, but feeling overwhelmed by the terminal commands, file systems, and endless configurations? What if there was a tool that could guide you step by step? Linux Assistant helps simplify common maintenance tasks, making system management easier. Anything that simplifies using Linux is always welcome. To install Linux Assistant, you'll need a distribution based on either Debian or Fedora. You can download the latest version directly from the official Linux Assistant website, choosing between a deb file for Debian-based systems or an RPM file for Fedora-based ones. To install Linux Assistant, just follow the instructions on the site. You can now launch the app from the Applications menu. This is a brief explanation of Linux Assistant here. So with Linux Assistant, you can search for all your favorite applications and start them in a fraction of a second. Linux Assistant also scans all your important folders and offers them to you in a result list. You can also find your favorite sites if you mark them as bookmarks in your web browser. You can do a lot of things with this tool. Click on First Steps after installation. You can select the browser you want to install, and it will automatically install for you. It also tells you which one is already installed on your system. Let me install the Brave browser. You can also select which Office application you want installed on your system. A list of communications apps you can select and install. It is now installing the software you selected. If you selected any, that is, I only selected to install Brave browser. It is now installed on my system. Using Linux Assistant is simple. Just click on the search bar and start typing. For example, if you want to run a security check on your system, type the letter S. Suggestions will begin appearing instantly. At the top of the list, you'll see the Security Check option. Click it, and Linux Assistant will perform a security scan on your machine. Return to the main page and enter the name of the file you're searching for. Linux Assistant will display every matching result it finds. You can also explore Linux Assistant's capabilities by typing different letters into the search bar. Go through the alphabet and discover a wide range of features it has to offer. Also, check the icons on the bottom right that link to other features like settings and feature overview. System administration is powerful, but also intimidating. Linux Assistant doesn't just give you shortcuts, it helps you understand the system. So you build real skills, explore the app, and learn what it can do. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Linux tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.